Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Mike McCarville, and this is McCarville Studios channel. But we're going to do a walkthrough of a Bantam Model Works kit. Um, Bill had me do a kit for him recently, and then I realized that this one hadn't been done either, so I'm doing it now. So the East Broad Top, this is the Sand House at Rock Hill Furnace in Pennsylvania. So there's a prototype and a model photo down here. So it's not quite four walls and a roof. It's not overly complex. I mean, the machine shop was, three pieces and wildly complex. This is going to be a lot easier, especially if you were not hadn't done a Craftsman kit before. This would be a pretty good one to start with because it exposes you to some stuff that aren't maybe in like the most basic kits, but it's got metal roofing and it's got ribbed roofing on the uh, corrugated here, ribbed roofing up here. It's got a little bit of complexity, not too many doors and windows at all, but there's this sand pipe that comes down, and putting that together was a little more challenging, but if you just take your time, it's not difficult to do, like most of this stuff. It's also got three different kinds of siding too. It's got mostly board and batten. Then it's got this kind of just grooved siding here, just a little piece of it, so you can treat it differently. And then this stuff here on the side it's kind of a brick texture. It's kind of like a asphalt siding shingle sort of material, but it's basically stuck on the side of the building. You see it in you see a lot more on East Coast stuff. I mean, I was familiar with it growing up in upstate New York, and I would see it on old buildings that they'd use to patch over some of the older siding. Um, but it's not really something that you would see an entire building get done with. So it's a little odd on this building that on the prototype they had board and batten and some scribe siding, and then they had this stuff just on one wall. So I imagine that was probably the wall that took a lot of the weather. So this is in Rock Hill Furnace, Pennsylvania. It's an HO kit. It's kit number 2182. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through and build this, but I'm going to show you step by step. And that way, if you already have the kit and you want to see maybe a little bit bigger pictures than some of the ones in here or a different view, if you haven't bought it and you're thinking about it, this will kind of give you an idea what's involved in the complexity. So we're going to jump right in and we're going to go through the build steps, and then we'll take a look at the finished product at the end. So thanks for watching, and let's get going. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We're done. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching this one, and thanks to Bill Banta for allowing me to feature this kit in our video series. Check out his website. I'll include that in the notes below, and I'll also include a link to the entire playlist of all the videos for the East Broad Top that we have already released, if you're curious in any of those. So I will see you guys on the next video. See you guys.